If your YouTube account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision by following a straightforward process. Here is a simple guide to help you navigate through the appeal. Step 1. Review the policy violation. Understand the reason for the restriction by reviewing the email or notification you received from YouTube. Familiarize yourself with the specific policy that was violated to strengthen your appeal. Step 2. Gather evidence. Collect any relevant information or evidence that supports your case. This could include screenshots, video links, or explanations that clarify why you believe the restriction was a mistake. Step 3. Access the appeal form. Log into your YouTube account and navigate to the Help section. Look for the option to appeal account restrictions and click on it to access the appeal form. Step 4. Complete the appeal form. Fill out the appeal form with accurate information. Clearly state your case, referencing the specific policy and providing the evidence you gathered. Be concise and respectful in your explanation. Step 5. Submit and wait for a response. After completing the form, submit your appeal. YouTube will review your case and typically respond within a few days. Be patient during this process, as it may take some time for them to reach a decision. In conclusion, appealing an account restriction on YouTube involves understanding the violation, gathering evidence, and submitting a clear appeal. Following these steps can help you effectively present your case.